Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my weekly laundry motivation video. So my name is Elizabeth and thank you for clicking on today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel here, I do cleaning motivation and laundry videos together with grocery hauls. So if you like this kind of content, do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads and put that bell on. I'm going to use vinegar and sunlight washing powder today, which is a lavender sensations, and it smells so nice. So I like it very much. I am still using the washing machine from my mother's place. It's winter and it's cold out there. And sometimes if I feel lazy, I just think about the machine and go wash there. So it's about winter and being tired. That's why you see me washing with a washing machine. And for those who've been here to my channel for the longest time, thank you very much for supporting this channel. Thank you for liking my video and sharing them. I love you so much, and without you this channel wouldn't be there. So I am so grateful that you are here and supporting the channel. So right now I am spinning the machine so that it can wash this laundry. I had 3 loads of laundry, but I decided to make it 2 because it wasn't a lot of laundry and the machine is bigger. So after 15 minutes the machine was done washing. That's when I started taking them out to the rinsing tub. I once said that when I wash with a machine, I rinse once because the machine can spin all the water out, can spin and dry the clothes. So I don't have to worry that excess water will be left on my clothes and do some mark while hanging on the line. So let's enjoy the video and do go subscribe. Give it a like.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
In winter, I like to spin dry my laundry so that it can dry so quickly, since the day is shorter and sometimes you find it's cloudy. So the drying from machine helps a lot.
Let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So this is the second and the last load of the day. It wasn't much of a laundry that day, so I didn't get tired and it was smoothly done.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
After doing laundry, I went straight to my place to hang it there because I had other things to do. I didn't want to wait for it on my mother's place until it dries completely. So I took my laundry and came with it here to dry it on my place so that when I'm done here, I do other stuff in my house.
Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
That's it guys for today's video. I love you so much and thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and give it this a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.